Ajiwi Kamadaya Bawi Eastern Tangkhul Naga Baptist Association ETNBAwi Kakaniya Trial Conference Ayat Lungshangli Habukhai Manipurli Ungazang Psychoran negative COVID-19 test reports to Taipulung Rada Chizimi Haira Election Commission of India na candidate pingwi election expenditure limits matai kami hire. Lay kaya nga thor at Tangkhul Express wi pau Chungsangla Jajo ina pamidalay pau ping may sa ina nganangumsa. Eastern Tangkhul Naga Baptist Association ETNBAwi Kakaniya Trial Conference Ayat Lungshangli Habukhai Conference chief challenges that youth face in today's era kaji hina tuigui sada kaziptale ETNBAwi Trial Conference wi pilan Lungshang khui aungana kangami ETNBA Trial Conference Hall Pastor Makub Baptist Church with Yauga Home Reverend Roxon Chodang na Tharjigat mida kamong shomi Conference Chile MBC with Youth Secretary Reverend Raimi Rimai TNBTA with Director Mathot Mi Jajo NTNBA with Youth Secretary Thangam Vashum TTA with Director Reverend Banner Makan Atumbingna Matui Misada Sharuk Kwimi Dalai Lungshangli Sadakle ETNBA Trial Conference Chile Churches Maka Langda Zangdalai Church Pingchi with Yaron Ngala Mi Machine Shagatum Maka Langda Vangarum Dalai Conference Chiwi Kwerpam Ukhrul based ETNBA na Kwimida Lumlak aina Laydale. ETNBA with Kakaniya Trial Conference Ji Rakra Tarik Thara aina Tangda Savagi Kachina. Manipurli Ungazang Psychor negative COVID-19 test reports to Taipulung Rada Jizakami Milishit Hire. India with city sky COVID case Chungasang Taipok Lui Uda air passengers renu road passengers renu Manipurli Ungazang Psychor Punghang Madida Chishad with Alungli Sagahai negative COVID-19 RT-PCR test report Singung Pulung Rada Manipur Health Service Director K. Rajo Singna Nigushokli Hanga Yari Shangli Zadaga Marks Magasang Yari Pamli Mashorta Papa Kaji Kala COVID-19 guidelines Kate Magashur Kalay Wivang Mi Tarada Kanili Fine Lubatingani Shaka Kapar Paula Sampanga Rakra Election Wivang Election Commission of Indiana Candidate Pingwi Election Expenditures Limit Mataika Mihire Lok Sabha Election Wivang Poll Expenditure Limit Lupa Lag Hangshini Aina Laig Sajit Lupa Lag Hangchikoda Panga Aina Hai Mihire State Assembly Election Wivang Expenditure Limit Lupa Lag Makadichishat Aina Laig Saji Lag Hangmati Kangsak Hire Election Commission of India na kahang atishurda expenditure limit kayay kamihi cost inflation index trika gahaykala electorate size yang naga matay kami kasana expenditures limit katherji Uttar Pradesh Punjab Uttarakhand Goa kala Manipur li Rakha election with candidates pingwi wangna Election expenditure limit 2014 li revised kasawi into 2020 li 10% matay kayada ECI na hanga Lok Sabha elections wivang ajwe revision kasahili state kahag ping wivang 35% aina matay ka state katena ping wivang 38% aina matay kami kasana State Assembly election with poll expenditure limit revised kasaji state kahag with candidates wivang 42% matay mi state still kamay ping wivang 40% matay mi da maka aina lay kasaji ara maximum lag makadijishat shitin paiki kichina da hang Election ganay uda model conduct election expenditure kala electoral process with training mi pok hawra. Ukhrul na gamjong wivang training ji aji with director ada kanidang DC Ukhrul mini secretariat with conference hall rungmi kidalay. Rani chi Ukhrul na gamjong districts li od kasa recognized national kala state political parties ping with mingning ping kala Rakra election with intending candidates agent ping with ivangna. Rakha election wivang NPF with Central Campaign Committee with mi kapangkui hire. 3 SE Ukhrul Division wivang MLA Y VK Hosu LW in charge MSU na thanda MLA Dr. Jyoti Su Sazo MLA Gizenye Khalo CWW President Yan Hola CEC Kropal Vitsu atumle member sada kapangsang hire. Kamjong playground li aji 42 Assam Rifles na khalai na medical camp rung mi ki da lei da lei. Camp jing a thor pung chiko ina hau pugra. Chili unit chiwi CMO na khalai na check up sa mira kala ari arai khalai na yaw mira chia. Union Minister Amit Shah na ajahon video conference ay na Manipur wibang development projects magkuda chikowi foundation stone shun mi hire. Projects pingjit lupa 2,450 crore ka kakawi winner chia. Amit Shah Manipur li kanitang wibang ungrada lay kasana ka kalan haw. Shah na ki wibang maung lui tu kalak maram mahang mana. Development projects nga taday da hawpok mi ka highway pau Shah na Twitter lila kapida shorkar na Manipur rijum na wibang gapa sami kawai sada lay kaji jitay lu shitta da kapi shokka. Union Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment Pratima Bhaumigli awi otpa may kwishok hawlu da Manipur wi Congress na demand sahayr. Ajahon ngaya Youth Congress ay na BJP Yuva Morcha wi mi kang shaw shok da Chi Pratima Bhaumig na insight kasana da Congress na Minister jili ket hire. Kala Ali Kwishok Hawlu Gujihi All India Congress Committee General Secretary Bhagda Jarandas, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President N. Loken Zangda, State with Congress Katana Pingna, Diman Sadalay Chia. Ajahon Yuva Morcha members kai kana Congress Katana Sonia Gandhi aina Rahul Gandhi wi in Fiji's party office wi Mangali Thot Kata wi aina Road Kamarachi Ragshok Nada Hang. Youth Congress members na kahang chitha ka sali police pickets lay gajina ka chithangba maralak mana nawlak aina rana wachia lang maida personnel pingje ki ka masala yang pamada Youth Congress na hang ka police na gahang ba group khani ji atum na vara khimiya da hang BJP Youth Morcha President Barry Sharma na gahang tha ka atum na in Fiji's thought kadaji ajahon PM Modi Punjab Khawali security lapses like highly protest kasana. Congress we H Goswami na kahang BJP member ping na Congress office we gate ragathak laga tuivaw ravaw wachi. Ocho jili BJP member ping na Congress member Shinaw Zangdali ranam gazammada chiwibang BJP members ping chiwitungli police na complain la thasang haira. Das na kahang Rakra election di BJP pangshap masambang mara kaji thay haida. BJP wi kathana pingna chikatha khet kapai otsak ji kasana kala BJP na kipong ka na power masambang mara da AICC General Secretary china hangsang. India richum now ping wivang e-passport masangla zat nang sak hawra da Ministry of External Affairs na chishat haida. External Affairs Secretary Sanjay Bhattacharya na kahang atishura hang da kala e-passports ji secure kasa biometric data zangra kala chi India wi richum now apuk vali khaung khawa kasa ko mai khawai samigi gichina da hang okthot kathar wi e-passport hapugra gi sarkar 2016 kum wi aina chishat hai kasana e-passport chi electronic chip zanglaga semgi gichina chip now chili passport wi data zangi gichina e-passports ji sem kawai electronic contactless inlays darkar kasa kui kawai India Security Press nasikli sarkar na khamya mi haira da Ministry of External Affairs na paumi latluida achiwi khamataya paumi Eastern Tangkhul Naga Baptist Association ETNBA ka khaniya trial conference aya lungshangde habuk haira Manipur li ungazang sai corona negative COVID-19 test reports di tay belum rada chizmi haira. Election Commission of India na candidate pingwi election expenditure limits matay kami haira. Aji wi pau he na ngachang haira nganadak lai nidum zai correlate so kami zimik show ngasa serana.